All right, so this is room 3307 at Unico 2087. This is the back side. This is the King Ocean View room. All right, so let's go in and check it out. These hats they give you, and you can have them decorated downstairs. So that's what welcomes you, are the hats. The closet. Let's see if I can back out a little bit. Oh, I'm being distracted here. So these are the closets with your extra blankets and things. And the bathroom is here. And the door. So that's the with it closed. And then opens. Hello. All right. We have our sinks, the mirrors. You get to pick which aromatherapy you'd like for your room, and it smells so good. All right, that's the, oh, that closes right there. Okay, so that closes back there, but we have it open. Okay. All right, and then your little towel ladder, and your slippers, hair dryer, all those things. Okay, and then shower with the rainfall shower head. And a bench. Y'all, the bench. I may not ever leave it out of here. Tony is laughing at me. Okay. And the toilet. Phone in case you fall, or in case you want to order room service from the throne. All right, so here we go, back to the closet. Then you have your stand, I think, is the mini fridge under here? Yes. Okay, mini fridge is under there. It is an all-inclusive property. There are all kinds of snacks and things here. All right, and here's the room.
Researching a lot of Mayan traditional patterns, and we wanted to update it and do.
And it smells so good in here, y'all. The whole property smells so good, like when you first come in. So you got your poster bed.
Yes, feel like they're immersed.
Television, but who watches television on vacation, right? Be quiet, Tony. Little decor. All right, and then shall we go out to the terrace? We shall. All right. If you prefer your bath outdoors, you have your towels and a soaking tub. Between this and the bench, I don't know, Tony. Little shades to take in the view of the pool or the tub, whichever you want to look at. And then this is the 3rd floor. So I think if you're on a higher floor, like on the 5th floor, you get a better view of the ocean, but this is just fine. These are the swim-up suites down below. So the swim-up suites are right below these suites, and they all have the little walkout. But I prefer this because it's not a private pool down there. And I was concerned about people swimming in front of our room and things. So anyway, so this is the view from our room. Again, this is the King Ocean View. And this is also, so it's an all-inclusive property. It's also adults only. And then you have the ocean there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay. You have the ocean there. And then again, you have the pools here. The pools are pretty crowded. Little private cabanas. But that is it. Someone's cutting the grass now. All right, that's it. That's our room. Just wanted to share a little bit. This is a 5-star luxury property in Riviera Maya. That's all, y'all. Bye.